Miles and Dash's POW 10.
Welcome to Miles and Dash's POW 10. Today's POW is Keep It Simple. Unit fractions, fractions which have numerators of 1, can be written as the sum of two different unit fractions. For example, 1/2 super fast. 1/2 equals 1/3 plus 1/6. Problem number 1. Charlie thought he'd spot a rule and make up some more examples. 1/2 equals 1/10 plus 1/20. Which didn't work, so draw an X. 1/3 equals 1/4 plus 1/12. Which works. 1/3 equals 1/7 plus 1/21. And 1/4
Did it work?
Yes, no, it didn't work. And 1/4 equals 1/5 plus 1/20. Which worked. So just erase. So for A, are all his examples correct? Our answer would be no. B, what do you notice about the sums that are correct? 1 over x equals 1 over x plus 1 plus 1 over x plus 1 times x. What? Yeah. 1/2 equals 1/3 plus 1/6. 1/10 equals 1/11 plus 1/110. 1/7 equals 1/8 plus 1/56. Okay. Can you explain the back?
Sure.
Are you sure?
Maybe. Yeah.
Allison started playing around with 1/6 and was surprised to find that there wasn't just one way of doing it. She found 1/6 equals 1/7 plus 1/42, and that works. 1/6 equals 1/8 plus 1/24, which works. 1/6 equals 1/9 plus 1/18, and it works. And 1/6 equals 1/10 plus 1/15,
1/15. What?
which works. Both 30 divided by 5 is 6, and 5.
Okay, problem number 2. And 2.
Charlie tried to do the same thing with 1/8. Can you finish Charlie's calculations to see which ones work? So there was 1/8 equals 1/9 plus blank,
Which is
1/72 per
the 7.
Closer. 1/8 equals 1/10
Louder.
plus blank, which is 1/40th. And 1/8 equals 1/11 plus what?
But this one doesn't work.
Why doesn't it work?
We actually have no idea.
That's okay.
We have a
It
hypothesis,
counts that it's
and our
right.
hypothesis was that if the denominator of this is over 10 and prime, which 11 is, the least common multiple, or it would not work. This happened very loud.
Can all unit fractions be made in more than one way like this?
It does not work
The answer is no. And
because 1/8 and 1/11 do not work in this unit fraction sequence.
or we
maker.
didn't find the right thing. It's probably the second one.
Yes, the latter.
And
But
so
1/8
8,
equals
1/13.
13, and their least common multiple would be 104.
But that does not work.
So that would be 8. That would be 13 times 8, which would make this 8. So that would be 9 104ths, which would not work.
No.
But I have no idea why this has the relation with 13 being prime. So we will keep on going.
Yes, we will.
Let's try it with 1/5 and 11. One-fifth equals 1/11 plus 1/55,
And that doesn't
which
work.
does not work because that would be 6/55ths in total, and we would only need. It does not work because when this is prime and it goes into this, this cannot be divided.
So that's
What?
number 5.
Yeah.
Explain how you would generate correct examples. And
Well, we would generate. Say that again. Say
We
5
would-
again. Say the question.
explain how you would generate correct examples.
Well, we would generate correct example by having a unit fraction, which would equal blank. 1 over blank. But this number over here cannot
Be prime.
be
Camel.
prim.
So basically it works unless you have prime numbers, so you can do it unless you have prime numbers as the denominator.
And this would be 1 over the least common multiple of these two denominators.